Hello, this is Dmitry with exclusive painless dent repair. We're looking at significant impact damage on this Tesla quarter panel. The dent stretches across the rear quarter panel and into the door edge, but today I'll be working on the quarter panel only. The door will be replaced by a body shop. I started with glue pulling. I'm using what is called cold glue and specialized tabs. Using a slide hammer, I apply controlled outward pressure to pop the metal back toward its original position. Now we move inside the trunk. By removing the interior trim, I gain access to the back of the quarter panel. I use long metal rods to carefully massage the remaining ripples from the inside out, guided by the reflection on the exterior. The repair takes a lot of blending. Using a PDR hammer and a knockdown tool, I tap down the crowns or high spots created by collision, and during the pulling process, this redistributes the metal and levels the surface. The final check shows those reflection lines are now parallel and straight. At this point, even though I saw room for further refinement, the customer was pleased with the result and decided to conclude the repair. The panel is restored to its factory shape without any sanding, body filler, or paint work required. That is all for today. Until next time, thank you for watching.